Production facilities that manufacture a wide variety of products and use many different recipes require flexibility in their process. Special blends, ingredients, or formulations are made easier with our approach to process system design. In this flexible ingredient batching model, we begin with receiving bulk ingredients via rail cars and PD truck. For unloading, we pressurize the cars to transfer materials to the silos. During the receiving step, process controls initiate the transfer of materials to the silo. The ingredients get logged into the system for inventory management and lot tracking. Internal components and system design depend on how many recipes or products you produce. Our intelligent ingredient system design process determines which components you need to maximize efficiency, eliminate congestion, reduce floor space requirements, accommodate efficient changeovers, and clean. Bulk bags and palleted 50-pound bags of macro, minor, and micro ingredients get logged into the system for lot tracking and staged for use. Our bulk bag dischargers are designed to unload bulk bags and transfer materials to a cluster of receivers for batch inclusion as determined by the recipe matrix. These receivers are equipped with load cells to measure gain and weight information for batch management and lot tracking. After the system identifies the appropriate material and weight, receivers meter the appropriate materials and amounts via screw feeders for the active recipe. An advantage of our intelligent ingredient system is our modular approach to accessing and storing ingredients. Rigid intermediate bulk containers provide safe and protected storage of these ingredients. Utilizing our RIBC loading station, you can transfer bulk bags or 50-pound sacks into our IBCs to safely store and access ingredients for use in our flexible batching system. Ingredient tracking and locations are entered into our recipe management control system for tracking, tracing, recipe campaigns, and inventory management. An ingredient identification number or tote identification number can also be used. RFID and barcodes can be added to bulk containers, micro bins, and bulk bag unloaders for lot tracking and ingredient tracing. Sanitary RIBCs can be either food-safe plastic or stainless steel and can be stacked too high without racks for efficient use of space. This process helps reduce unwanted dust by concentrating material prep in one area and sealing containers to protect ingredient integrity. RIBCs are available in different sizes and are loaded into a feeder stand for direct inclusion. Many products have different minor or micro ingredient requirements, and proper inclusion of these ingredients is critical to batch integrity. A solution for small bag handling is our custom micro ingredient station. This minor and micro batching series offers hinged door access with a gas spring to keep the door in the open or closed position and has a lockable switch assembly. Identification locks can recognize RFID tags or barcodes to help maintain ingredient integrity by preventing the operator from entering the wrong material into the hopper. Accurate loss and weight feeders and load cells ensure inclusion accuracy. Another option for larger inclusions is our hand add station, arranged in a cluster as part of a carousel configuration. Each station is assigned a location ID and lot tracking procedures for accuracy. The integrated dust collection system provides a downdraft of air across the open gate area to capture fugitive dust, promoting a cleaner and safer working environment. Each station fills a hopper with a precision feeder that in turn meters materials to a common hopper on load cells, which will perform a check weigh. After all the materials are staged and ready for transfer to the mixer, the controls application will select the proper sources for accessing ingredients and transfer those materials to the mixer. In this example, materials from the small back dump carousel and the bank of receivers are pneumatically transferred to the receiver above the mixer. An additional ingredient is now transferred from the external silo to the same receiver. The material gets weighed as it is received, and the fill pass valve shuts off when the vessel receives the proper weight. With material still in the convey line and the receiving vessel at the proper weight, the system continues to pressurize the convey line to return the unused materials to the silo. Once all the materials get mixed, the batch is ready for production or transfer depending on your process. Contact a Horizon Systems representative today to learn more about our flexible approach to ingredient batching.